Hi, this is Beck from RICHMCHN. Today we're here at Shanghai port. I would like to introduce a 10-ton road roller for you. The road roller in front of us is XCMG 10-ton double roller. You see, this is XD103. As you see, this engine is SHANGCHAI brand, which is famous for its powerful, durable, and reliable. And these qualities are the result of its long-term partnership with Caterpillar. It has good quality. This model of roller is equipped with advanced compaction technology, which can compact the road surface deeply and evenly. The various components of this roller is arranged reasonably, which can make it easy to repair and maintain. Regarding the interior configuration, the roller is equipped with intelligent and comfortable cab, and the air conditioning is equipped standardly. As you see, this is the overall introduction of this XCMG XD103. And if you want to know more details, please visit our website.